this is Mrs. Robinson. Thank you so much for stopping by and welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, I just got an item on Amazon and this is from TRESS Wellness, and because of that, I am be doing in this video a demonstration on how I wax my underarm. Well, I choose my underarm because I don't have much hair on my face, on my arms, and on my legs. This is the item that I got on Amazon. I have to show you the box because it says here that it's complete wax. So before we have to start our demonstration, I am going to show you what comes inside of this box. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so first it comes with this 5 different kinds of wax beans. Different kinds of scents like this one, tea tree. They have also lemon. They also have this lavender. They also have this eucalyptus. And also this peppermint. And also it comes with this 2 pre-wax and after wax spray. And it comes also with this large wooden sticks for large areas. And these small wooden sticks for small areas. And it comes also with this protective color ring. It's called as a protective color ring on the rim of the wax warmer. You're gonna put this on the rim of the wax warmer. That's the use of this paper ring. We also have this 2 spray lid. You can replace this to the lid of the cap on that sprayer bottle, so you can easily use the sprayer. They also have this instruction manual. This is the quick beginner's guide for everyone who is the beginners. So we can use this. Like me, I am a beginner of this wax. We can use this as a quick guide. And also it comes with this warmer. Warmer has a transparent lid, this one. And it has this removal pot. It's like a rice cooker, right? This is the temperature adjustment dial. You can turn this on. And this one is the LCD temperature display screen. You can check what temperature you want to. This is the one that you can check the temperature. This is LCD. And this one is the temperature adjustment dial. So that's the good thing in TRESS Wellness product warmer kit. Okay, so because I want a lighter color, so I can show you how well this product works on me, I want to use this lemon. So this would be yellow color. So it would be show off to all of you guys how these items works on me. I'm gonna put their link on my description box so you can check on it. I'm gonna pour the wax beans into this warmer. I don't know if we need to put a lot, but if we need to put everything, but I just put half of this because I don't have much hair on my underarm. And then we have to turn the temperature to the maximum to 57, and then we have to put the lid like that, and we have to wait until the wax is melted. Okay, let's check for how many minutes. You don't need to worry how many minutes you can wait because all you need to do is wait until the wax is fully melted, and then when you get the right consistency, it's like a honey thick, then we're ready to wax. Just like this one. See that? It's really thick like a honey, and all of the wax beans are melted. Okay, the first thing is we have to use this pre-wax. I have to spray this on my underarm, but I already cleaned my underarm. It's already clean. Make sure, guys, that before you wax your underarm or any part of your skin, you have to make sure that it is clean enough. So I cleaned this already. I have to spray this pre-wax before we start the waxing. smells coconut. We have to wait until it's dry, this pre-wax into our skin before we start applying the wax. Our desired temperature is already 150, and that's enough for starting applying the wax into our skin, and it won't be burned on you. Okay, so now it's completely dry. Our underarm now is completely dry. We have to start applying our wax. I have to apply first the wax going down, because we have to follow that hair. It grows down like that. It grows down. So just put I don't know if we have to put another layer. It's already thick. Okay, like that. Okay. Wait again. Wait about 30 to 40 seconds until the wax is not sticky. It's hard now. Then stretch the skin. We have to stretch our skin and lift the edge of the wax. Oh, let's try. And peel off the wax quickly in the opposite direction, because my hair is growing down here, growing down this way. So I have to peel off the wax opposite direction, up this way. Okay, ready? Ouch. Okay. It's a lot of hair, as you can see. Okay, we have to try again this way. You know what? The good thing of this wax is not kind of messy. Wait again. Okay. I just have to peel off this one part here, okay? Peel off. Because my hair, this part is growing upward, I have to pull the wax going downward, okay? Ready? Ouch. There you go. It works. It works well on me. Look at that. A lot of hair. And I want to apply more. So some of the hair would be pulled off, and I want this to be clean, so I have to try this again. You have to put some pressure when applying this wax. It would be good if you have to put pressure. Okay, make sure that it is already dry, completely hard before you pull off again. Okay, have to try this. Okay, let's strike it. Ouch! Oh, really good. Still a lot. See that? Don't be warned if your underarm is turning red. It is because of the wax that you pull it on your skin, that you pulled in your skin. So that's natural. Okay, so guys, the wax completely cleaned my underarm hair. It works really good to me. Now we have to put the after wax spray to smooth and moisturize the skin of my underarm. Don't worry about the remaining hair on there. I can pull it using my tweezer. After waxing, you will use this after wax also from TRESS Wellness. The use of this after wax spray is to smooth and moisturize the skin. Okay, I'm gonna put it now. After waxing, I'm gonna spray my underarm. This after wax spray, it helps moisturize the skin and smooth. Also, it can be used also to clean up the residual wax on the skin. This residual wax that I have. So I'm gonna do the other side of my underarm, and then I'm gonna show you after. Then put pressure. Here you go. Let's put pressure. Okay. Put it. Still a lot.
So that's it. It really works on me. I'm gonna show you the result. It really good, and I feel good that I waxed my underarm. It really works on me. So I am encouraging you all guys to try this product of TRESS Wellness on Amazon. I'm gonna put their link on my description box. Don't hesitate to buy this product. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mrs. Robinson. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and hit the notification bell so you would be updated on all my new uploaded videos. Thank you so much. Bye!